Welcome to 932 Waterlily Rd, positioned on a serene stretch of Carolina coastline, where the sound shimmers, history lingers, and modern comfort found its perfect stage. Today I'm sharing a 1954 Soundfront retreat that has been expanded, updated, and lovingly reimagined into a coastal gem with modern amenities, dual kitchens, and so much more. Let's go take a look. Inside, the transformation unfolds with intention. Sunlight pours graciously into the great room, overlooking the awesome water views. Flowing into a warm dining space with a quartz-finished kitchen designed for gathering. Every detail feels renewed yet rooted. From the tucked-away office to the boutique-style bedrooms, daily living feels elevated. Flexible living space makes this home ideal for multi-generational families, long-term guests, or a ready-made Airbnb VRBO retreat. The second-floor kitchen offers easy snacking or entertaining options while enjoying gorgeous views from a wall of windows that perfectly frame the Currituck Lighthouse. Anchoring it all is the original farmhouse fireplace, preserved in rich dark wood with hidden storage tucked at either end, a timeless centerpiece that whispers the home's history while blending seamlessly into its modern revival. No detail has been left untouched. Luxury bathrooms with towel warmers, custom tile work, and even hand-selected vent covers show how carefully every element was considered. Even the smallest details were thoughtfully designed, making this home feel both refined and welcoming. At the water's edge sits a rare grandfathered boathouse, complete with electric and internet. It's more than functional, it's alive with personality. Even the neighborhood otters like to slip inside for afternoon naps, adding a touch of magic to waterfront living. From here, the view becomes unforgettable. Watching wildlife drift across the water or sunrises that paint the horizon, all with the Currituck Lighthouse standing as your daily backdrop. From the boathouse to the lighthouse, this is more than just a home. It's a legacy in coastal living, waiting for its next chapter with you. I'm Casey Raybar. Call me today to start living your dreams.